Hi, my name is Sajanti and I am currently majoring in marketing. I interned with Google and I worked with the YouTube India team in Bombay. And my profile got matched with the role that was available with YouTube, and I believe that was an amazing experience altogether. With respect to my association with Google and how I went about working there, a lot of the concepts that I had learned in campus related to like research and brand management were things I put to use there. I always understood that I'm representing a brand that is so global in nature. So first I went back and understood the way the brand communicates, the kind of things the brand really puts out to people, what is the core value in whatever that I'm doing. So I added that in all of my communication to truly become a representative of the company while I was interning there. And apart from that, of course, college has equipped me with so much more with all the work I've done in clubs and committees and in my classes where I've learned how to communicate, how to be persuasive, and how to really, work hard and time bound in an efficient manner. So I would be thankful for the opportunity and at the same time to everything that the college has given me.
Hello everyone, this is Sylvia. I'm currently pursuing my PGDM in marketing. I've had this wonderful opportunity to intern with Amazon. The college has helped me secure this internship. I was working there as an operations intern, and I had a project there where I had to establish audit mechanism for their internal team. The work culture there is very dynamic, it's very challenging. But throughout all of it, my faculty mentor and my Amazon mentor have helped me through it and guide me to finish the project in time and successfully. And I would like to thank IMT and my mentors and everybody who was involved in this. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Rumaisa Aleem and I'm doing my majors in marketing from IMT Hyderabad. So my internship was with Reserve Bank of India, which college helped me to get into. It was a college generated internship, and the role of as an intern in RBI was market research. The project title was corporate governance in Indian banking sector. So what I did as part of my internship was I created a corporate governance index on the basis of which we compared the private and public sector banks and saw their performance. So a corporate governance score was given to each private and public sector banks, and then we compared which bank is doing better. So this internship really helped me to get an insight into the market research. As we all know, in today's time, market research is something which is required in every field. If a company is introducing a new product, so they need to know the insights of consumer, what they need, what they want, what the need is exactly. So for that, there is a need for market research. Also, there is a subject offered by our college on market research, and I've opted for that subject as well. So my internship helped me in a way that I got some clarity on few concepts which I get very clearly when our teacher teaches us in marketing research. So I feel college really helped me to get into a very good brand, that is Reserve Bank, and that too in the market research profile. So I'm really thankful to college.
Hello everyone, I am Vivek. Before starting my PGDM, I was a CA student, and since it is in the finance domain, I chose PGDM Finance as my course here. And when it comes to finance in IMT, I really like three subjects that I believe are really helpful to the students here. First one is security analysis, the second one is financial statement analysis, and portfolio management. All three of them are geared in such a way that it prepares students for a role in financial statement analysis and investment analysis. So when it comes to my internship, I interned at Guardian Capital, and it was very rare for the college to get a IP in investment analysis, and I was one of the very few lucky people who got into such a role. And in terms of the company was a startup. They were into portfolio management and a family office. And my IP mentor, Professor Abhishek Bhandari, who was into economics, also helped me a lot because he was able to understand what the project was and also guide me through some of the macroeconomic work that I had done in my project. And in terms of my future plans, I would like to start off as an investment analyst and in the future be a fund manager.
Hi, I'm Vatsala. I'm pursuing PGDM from IMT Hyderabad with marketing as a majors. I interned with Nivea. That was the very first company that visited our campus. I'm really thankful to IMT Hyderabad for giving me such an opportunity to intern with such a prestigious FMCG firm. Coming to the internship part, my location was Mumbai, and I was working there as a sales trainee, wherein my project involved giving 20% growth over previous year, as well as developing the channel as a whole, focusing solely on grocers and general stores. During the 3 months internship period, I managed to surpass my target and came up with various initiatives for the DSRs. The successful completion of my internship was possible only through the support of my mentors here at IMT Hyderabad as well as there in Nivea. I'm really thankful to the college for giving me such an opportunity.
Hi, this is Imad Shahid. I am a PGDM student of IMT Hyderabad. I did my internship at Nephroplus. My role there was of a financial analyst, and I got through campus. So when I went through campus process, it was mostly about the way you are able to manage stress, the way you are able to handle questions that are mostly related to guesstimations. So I was asked to plan and design a port, which I never went, as to how many containers and how many ships would be there in that seaport. So I got these kind of guesstimation questions, and luck favored me and I got into. So my profile there was very much holistic. I thought it would start from financial analysis, but it covered almost everything from finance to operations to marketing. Of course, it went across all the domains. My major project was on P&L analysis, where I actually found that the perception that the management had was completely different from the ground reality, and that helped them focus on many other alternatives. One of the major results that I got was I was able to reduce the indirect expenses by around 35%. That is something that I feel happy about, because Nephroplus is a health service provider, and most of our customer base comes from people who are not very privileged. So those bottom line actually help us reduce the prices. And since we are a dialysis service provider, it's something that our patients, our guests, we call them, they do not have much alternatives. So something about Nephroplus. In the dialysis sector, we are the major market commanders. We are having more than 60% of the market share across India, and we are expanding across different countries. So my role, like I said, was not only about financial analysis, I was also responsible for operations. I'm also responsible for Series D funding, and with my performance, I'm happy that they have offered me a pre-placement offer. So this is something about me, this is something that I enjoyed doing. At the end of the day, what mattered is the bottom line. The bottom line being the performance, being the employee satisfaction, and of course, our customers. Thank you.